Hi guys. Okay, so I decided I'm going to do a specific eyelash application tutorial. How I do my lashes, okay? Because it's an ingenious method that Chelsea Bunn from the House of Sled taught me, and apparently Caroline Clark taught her, which I think is amazing because Caroline Clark was like, I'd never met her. She passed away before I was, my drag career was born, before my generation, but she's a legend in Australia and Sydney, and so this technique since Chelsea taught me it, I have used solely, and I've taught it to people all around the world. I'm Priscilla and done makeup and blah blah blah, and anyway, so simple, it's amazing. You'll never look back if you don't know this already. This will change your life. Okay, guys. So put your little blob of eyelash glue. I use Duo because it's just standard and good quality and great and available. Run the spine through the lash. Don't make the mistake of trying to do that don't do that. That's stupid. That just gets everywhere. This, you have got so much more control. You get exactly where you need it. Now, place it where you would put your lash, like this. So you've got glue on both sides. Now, put that down. The other side. Put that down. Now I then would go and do my bottom lashes, if I'm wearing bottom lashes, and these are light, so they actually don't need this technique. They just need to be put on. But while you're doing that, keep your eyes downcast like Princess Di, because if you look up, you're gonna get glue stuck everywhere. So what's that? Put your bottom lashes on, and like I said, they're light, so they'll just stay. Well, they should. I use wispies for my bottom lashes. I love a wispy. I can't believe Courtney used to use wispies as like actual lashes. I'm like, what sort of... God, that just doesn't... That's... I don't understand. Anyway. Okay, now you're gonna let that dry. We'll just sit here for a minute. Actually, while I do that, I will do my powder shading. Because who said boys can't multitask? I'm a terrible multitasker. When it comes to makeup though, ooh, girl. Okay, now you want both sides to be tacky because eyelash glue is basically a contact adhesive. You need to have both sides tacky for it to stick. If you're sticking wet glue to your eye and just hoping for the best, honey, you're going to be sitting there fiddling with that crap for hours. This one's drying, as you can see. It's still a bit white here, which we might, let's just, risk it for a biscuit. Woohoo! Okay. You ready? No, not ready. Not ready at all. All right, give me a second. I might cut this. Okay, we're probably a little bit, I think I could probably definitely leave it for a few more seconds, but for the sake of the video, okay, we'll do it. We'll give it a go. Give it a red hot go. So, girls, magic. It's magic. If you don't do your eyelashes like this, you're a bleeping beautiful person and also an idiot. This is just the only way, okay guys? The only way And you might already do this. And if you do, congratulations, you're a genius. But if you don't, get onto it, girls. Get amongst it. This is definitely still too wet. We'll pause. Okay, ready for the next one? Still a bit wet, but look, I think it'll be fine. Bitch, come on, please. Press them down. And they're done. Look at that. You are bleeping welcome. Don't forget to flick that subscribe button, girls. Oh gosh, oh my god. Okay, that was my eyelash tutorial. Go for it. Get amongst it. Bye.
Wigs by Vanity. This is my wigs. I don't wear hair.